Hello, we are Computer Science and Engineering Team 11, and our project is in collaboration with WebQuity, in which we were tasked with creating a Chrome browser extension to assist users that have dyslexia with navigating the internet. It's important to note that there are many different types of dyslexia, which affect people in various different ways and severities, and that our project will primarily be targeting visual aspects of web pages. The primary difficulties that users with visual dyslexia face are difficulty tracking across lines of text, difficulty keeping their place within a text, and portions of text appearing with various errors, such as double letters, blurry text, or even upside-down lettering. These issues can be exacerbated by poor website design. While there is no singular solution to these problems, we can still help by removing all potential barriers to comprehension. Through our research, we found that the key design elements of a web page that would give the user the highest chance of comprehension included the following: utilization of a sans serif font, a 14-point font size, consistent line spacing of 1.5 to 2, left alignment for text, and sufficient contrast between the text and background. While these are the recommended values for each of these aspects, we wanted to create a product that would allow the user to have control over each of them. We've also built in a new open source font that was created to increase readability for users with dyslexia. The Open Dyslexic typeface utilizes unique letter shapes to prevent confusion between similar letters, and it emboldens the lower portion of each letter to help signify the correct orientation. It was also important to us to ensure that our extension was user-friendly and understandable for users with dyslexia. Since Chrome extensions are built using the same technologies as web pages, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, it was important that we held ourselves to the same standards as web pages. This was our initial user interface design. With this design, we chose to focus on minimal design elements to promote ease of use and prevent distraction, ensure that the elements satisfied the worldwide Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, allow users to manually change web page features with advanced options, and design the UI so that it has room for expansion if features are added in the future. And now for a demonstration of our final extension.
This is the demo of our Chrome extension. We have added multiple features to allow users the flexibility to change almost any aspect of what a web page looks like. This is what using the extension would look and feel like. The user can turn on the extension using the on-off toggle and begin making their changes. The user can change the font size, font family, line spacing, letter spacing, text alignment, font color, and background color as per their comfort level. As mentioned earlier in the presentation, we added Open Dyslexic as a font option. We kept the options for line spacing, letter spacing, and text alignment as the standard options you would see in a text editor, so that users have options that they're used to seeing. There are also a variety of font colors and background colors for the user to choose from. Each feature also has a default option that will clear the currently selected option. We have also added a few presets for the background color and font color. The extension's changes also carry over to other tabs, so if you were to navigate to other web pages while using the extension, the changes will carry over as well. In the case the user wants to completely clear all their changes, there is a Reset Changes button as well. Thank you for listening to our presentation, and I hope you liked our project.